flexible thermoforming baseweb is a type of packaging material shaped by applying heat and pressure to form a specific shape. Commonly used for packing items like meats, sausages and cheeses. It creates a lightweight protective barrier around the food product, prolonging its shelf life. Traditional thermoforming materials often consist of multi-layer structures involving different types of polymers, some of which can be difficult to recycle in conventional recycling processes. Walki's thermoforming basewebs are made from monomaterials such as polyethylene PE or polypropylene PP, combined with a functional gas barrier. These monomaterials are fully recyclable, making them a more sustainable choice that aligns with environmental regulations and reduces waste. Traditional materials may not always be recyclable and often end up being incinerated or disposed of in landfills, contributing to plastic pollution. In contrast, our solutions support the circular economy by being easily processed in standard recycling streams. Additionally, Walki's thermoforming basewebs provides a sturdy barrier to protect food and prolong its freshness, helping to reduce food waste and CO2 emissions. PE and PP are ideal materials for thermoforming basewebs due to their distinct advantages. PE is highly versatile and compatible with most recycling facilities, making it a sustainable choice for various packaging needs. Its widespread recyclability supports environmental sustainability by ensuring the packaging can be easily processed in standard recycling streams in most countries. PP, on the other hand, offers excellent resistance to higher temperatures, both in production and in use. Both materials are PA-free, enhancing their recyclability. Additionally, they can be printed in flexo and digital formats or provided as transparent film, offering flexibility and customization for diverse packaging requirements. In 2022, almost 20% of produced food was wasted, accounting for nearly 10% of global CO2 emissions, according to the UNEP Food Waste Index Report 2024. With the right food packaging, these figures can be substantially reduced. Walki's thermoforming basewebs play a crucial role in reducing food waste and CO2 emissions by providing a strong barrier that maintains the freshness and quality of the food products throughout their shelf life. This solution prevents food spoilage, thereby decreasing the amount of food that ends up as waste. This reduction in food waste subsequently lowers the CO2 emissions associated with producing, transporting and disposing of wasted food. By preserving food quality and extending shelf life, our thermoforming basewebs support a more sustainable and environmentally friendly food supply chain. Walki's thermoforming basewebs align with the EU Packaging and Packaging Waste Regulations, PPWR, by being fully recyclable and designed to meet the regulation's requirement for all packaging to be recyclable by 2030. This compliance offers several benefits, including reducing environmental impact and supporting the circular economy. We have the solutions to help our customers accelerate their sustainability goals by using recyclable monomaterials and promoting sustainable packaging practices.